Hey guys, are you looking for the 5 best wood planer? Then you are in the right place in this video. So let's get started our video. Electric desktop planer / 220V 2000W wood planer / 13-inch small household electric woodworking machinery / 330mm planing wood field. Product name, 13-inch planer. Rated voltage, 220V. Rated power, 2000W. No load speed, 8,000 rankines per minute. Single planing, 1 to 3 mm. Planing height, 10 to 160 mm. Planing width, 330 mm. Base material, aluminum cast base.
The Makita 2012 NB 12-inch planer with internal lock automated head clamp is a breeze to tow along with the job site at different areas of your property. Other versions can be clunky and nearly impossible to lift or move. Our tasting team was thrilled to find an option that is easier to use on the go, since our projects can lead us to each and every corner of our homes and properties. The Makita 2012 NB is engineered to allow for faster and safer blade changing, a routine maintenance task that can be dangerous and exhausting to do. The dewalt DW734 benchtop planer has a 3-knife cutter head that uses disposable or reversible steel knives. This joiner can help you create cuts with a max depth of 1/8 of an inch and a max width of 12.5 inch of output. Our tasting team loves saving money, so the price on this dewalt definitely makes us happy. The dewalt DW734 benchtop planer is a slightly older and much less expensive version of dewalt's DW735. The WEN 6550T benchtop planer includes a granite table that provides you with a sturdy and non-marring surface. The smooth surface allows the wood to glide over easily. This option can cut wood at a rate of 26 feet per minute, making it a favorite among our tasting team members. The WEN 6550T benchtop planer, thanks to a budget price, this wood jointer would be a lovely choice for any home workshop. dewalt DW735X 2-speed thickness planer. The dewalt DW735X 2-speed thickness planer features a powerful motor that reaches up to 20,000 RPM. The planer is able to handle larger cuts when using wider materials. Our tasting team loved how quickly and easily the dewalt 2-speed works, and the fact that it's so easy to learn on for those new to wood joiners.